Are you navigating the complexities of closing on a new home? Have you paid off your mortgage or are considering switching your home insurance before the renewal date? Do you understand the crucial relationship between your escrow account and your homeowner's insurance policy in the home buying process? In this video, I'll go into detail on how your escrow account works, its relationship to your homeowner's insurance, and understanding the basics of an insurance escrow account. An escrow account is established alongside your mortgage. It's designed to collect funds and distribute those payments for expenses like property taxes and your homeowner's insurance. Most mortgage companies include an escrow account from the start, but it's important to note that not all loan types automatically use escrow accounts for taxes and insurance. Typically, a mortgage lender requires the first year's homeowner's insurance payment to be paid in full. This payment is divided into 12 months and set up so that your mortgage company pays for your insurance when it comes next year. It is integrated into your mortgage payment, and when your insurance policy is due 12 months from now, there's enough funds there to pay for your insurance. We hear this question often: can I change my homeowner's insurance even though my premium is escrow? The answer is yes. If you find that you don't enjoy working with your current insurance agent or insurance company, or find a better insurance deal, your current policy has not been paid and it's months away from being paid, you can make that change. The process is this: you need to notify your mortgage company or the servicer of your mortgage in advance to let them know that you will be changing your insurance. Let them know that you have decided to switch insurance companies. Let them know who you'll be changing to and the new broker or agent that will be handling your insurance. Consulting with a local independent insurance broker is advisable, especially during the home buying process, as we can provide clarity on the coverage that you need and how to integrate it with your current insurance escrow account. Navigating the intricacies of escrow and insurance doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right guidance and understanding, you can ensure a smoother, more secure path to homeownership. Remember, stay informed, stay protected. Thank you for watching.